Heavy, approaching takeoff.
American 55 Heavy, one set the marker, slow to your final, runway 6 at Airline, wind is 180 at 10, traffic full depart, runway 22 left.
Right, American 55, after takeoff, slow to approach speed, clear to land, wait center.
American 110 Heavy, monitor tower 132.7. American 1358, runway 22 left, heading 220, clear for takeoff, company's 3 mile final for the center.
Over takeoff, 22 left, heading 220, American 1358, roger.
I was 5951, O'Hare, runway 22 left, line up Boeing.
Line up Boeing, 22 left, 5951. And American 901, we're turning right into the pad here.
Houston pad, get on November. Two right turns on a pop, hold for the golf pump.
2 right stop for the golf pump, 3726.
That's here 1254, your sequence will be an American 73, you see on the right hand side.
Better.
American 901 in front of front gear, behind the one on the runway.
Okay, copy that 901.
Runway 3725, as you make the right turn on pop, monitor tower 132.7.
Tower Brickyard, 3482, over Seika, inbound, 28 Center.
Brickyard 3482, O'Hare, runway 6 center, clear to land, caution, wake traffic, all numbers, heavy 76 and 190 at 1.
Clear to land, 28 Center, Brickyard, 3486.
American 1358, contact Chicago departure.
Chicago departure, American 1358, good day.
Okay.